Tell me, when did you first start conducting?
Conducting? Oh, well, I think that I began all my life. I was, yes, a little bit of child, and I like to, and in the chorus, in the church, I used to conduct also, and yes.
And after that, you had, of course, your own orchestra.
Well, oh, yes.
Years later.
Yes, in 2020, it was in 1920. Well, at the time, I thought that Barcelona, big city, would have a good orchestra. See? And I decided to work on it, and it was a great success. Great success. And I had the orchestra till the 36.
Till the war.
Till the war.
And what actually forced you to stop your orchestra? I mean, the...
Oh, well, oh yes, this is a very fine thing. Now, in July, 18th July, 36, we were rehearsing the Ninth Symphony. And at the middle of the final rehearsal, I received the order of quitting the hall, because at any moment, the forces of Franco that would attack Barcelona. I understood perfectly the situation, and I said to the orchestra and to the chorus, probably we shall not meet again. Would you like to finish the symphony? And a wonderful yes came, and we finished the symphony. It was wonderful.
And that was the last time?
This is the last time.
Do you still have that little manuscript?
Yes, I have it.
Oh, I'd love
yes,
to.
Yes, oh, it's a treasure.
Didn't Mr. Bodmer give that to you?
Bodmer?
Bodmer.
Yes.
Oh, he has a marvelous
collection, yes.
Oh, I've seen some of it.
Look. I love to see that. Well, this is the first idea of Beethoven for the Ninth Symphony. And look how funny and how wonderful. He intended to begin the symphony with a tremolo of timpani.
Oh,
you see?
oh, yes.
Before attacking, param, param, param. You see?
Yeah.
And look this note.
Da-da-da.
It does, yes, it doesn't exist in the.
True.
And then the rhythm of the first one, pa-bum, 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 that's the fear, you see? The first, in the clouds, you see?
Tiny little notes.
It's beautiful, yes.
Beautiful manuscript. Well, I'll bet that's one of the many great treasures that you have.
Yes, I have here Brahms and Haydn and Mozart.
All the original
autographs? Oh, yes, autographs, yes.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Well, they are my treasures, yes. My real treasures. That's good.
So you finished your rehearsal of the Ninth Symphony, but you did not leave Spain then. I mean,
Not yet. No, I didn't.
There was still one more year, wasn't it?
Well, I left my country in October for my concerts that I had in Europe.
October, this was what, 36?
36, yes, 36. I went back to Barcelona 37 for 1 week. And I gave a concert for the starving children, and then the bombing began.
How did you happen to come to Prague? Why is it that...
Well, would you like me to say all this? Very long.
Well, it's quite all right.
Yeah, very well.
I mean, since the festivals have put Prague on the map.
Yes.
I mean, still today, I say, you're coming to the Pride Festival.
Yes.
But you mean Czechoslovakia? I say, no, not
yes.
Czechoslovakia.
Very well.
I mean, you put this town on the map. I want to know why you picked it.
Yes, but no, the situation was so sad, that I had some, I was a neurasthenic, got a neurasthenia in Paris. I was more than 1 month, everything closed. I didn't want to see the light. See, I was was a wreck. Very well, one day came a friend of mine, a Catalan, and said, please, but please, come to Catalonia. I said, Catalonia? What do you mean, Catalonia? Yes, Catalonia, French Catalonia. I said, well, you will see the sea, our sea, you will talk Catalan, you will say, and then this gave me some, and this is why I came to Prague.
But after the war, in 1945, you returned to the concert world with great triumph. I've read about it. I unfortunately wasn't here.
Great triumph from where?
From here to London, as I
London
understand.
and Paris. Well,
well, I don't know
you
about
see,
Paris.
I hadn't played in Paris, in London for so long that people received me very nicely, very cordially. To say the truth, people say that they never saw such a cordiality and such enthusiasm, etc., etc. I was very touched by it. Yes. Well, when I arrived to England, I thought that the Spanish question would have an end, because I had confidence in the Labour Party, who came to power. It was a great surprise to me that to see the press a kind of campaign favorable to Franco. I couldn't understand that. And I began to protest. I saw all the directors of the papers, the Times, the Telegraph, the Manchester Guardian, etc., etc. I refused many honors that they want to me. Now, to make it short, have you heard of that horrible word, à la mode, today in the political circles? That word, how is that?
A la mode?
No, à la mode, yes.
Well, I know.
Yes.
As far as I'm concerned, the expression à la mode, we use it in English as you use in French. It means fashionable,
yes.
or convenient.
Yes.
I think in this sense, in Churchill's sense,
Yes,
it would have meant
yes,
expedient,
exactly. Yes,
necessary,
well,
the thing to do.
Yes. Well, the politics are based on that word.
À la mode.
No, realistic. And this is why Spain is so unhappy, because this word has been taken as a refuge to the politicians. Now, for me, and I think for every man of conscience, these words means the exclusion of moral courage. Yes. The exclusion of justice, the exclusion of pity, and this is why I don't accept it, and this is why I have retired from my career and from this world so sad.
Well, unfortunately, there are reasons. They are not your reasons. They are military reasons.
Now, the people are confused when they see those strange things that cannot be explained. You see, and we are lost on account of that. So today everything is possible. Every wrong thing is possible and accepted. And I don't accept it. That's all. And this is the situation. Now, for my poor country, we have only one hope. Is time and better reasoning for the responsible people. And for the moment, we have to console ourselves. You know that wonderful...
Nostalgia?
No? Yes, wonderful song that I have played that song in every concert since the war of my country. Now, I will play it again.
The National Broadcasting Company has presented a conversation with Pau Casals. Pau Casals' guest was Madeline Foley.